So we bought this OGO composting toilet, and I've been trying it in the shop for about a month now just to try it out. We're going to end up putting it into our travel trailer conversion for off-grade camping. But this is what you get in the package. You get the instruction manual, you get a spray bottle for vinegar to clean it down, and you get some mounting screws to bolt it to the floor. I really wasn't sure about composting toilets, but this last month it's actually worked out very well. Here's what the toilet looks like. It's actually very sleek looking. Doesn't have the turn handles and stuff like some of the other brands. It does run on 12 volt, so in the shop here I just temporarily have it hardwired into a battery, which we've been charging with a battery charger, but this will be wired into the solar on the travel trailer. As far as the lid, this is what the toilet itself looks like. It has a pull handle right here to open the solids compartment, and then it has a small slit here in the front for the liquid, so it's going to keep those two separate. And right here, this is the cool feature about it. There's a push button that's going to turn on the agitator, and we've been using just Cocoa Core in the unit, and that's been working out very well. As far as servicing the unit, you have a liquids bottle here that can come out and get dumped. And it comes with a screw top so you can seal it up during transport. The liquids are just going to come out here into that container, and then the solids are going to go into the bin. And again, with the agitator, it's just going to turn and agitate the solids, and you can turn that on and off. On the front, you have two latches, and this whole unit slides forward, and then you can get your bucket out to dump your solids. So very sleek looking unit. Here it's got the ventilation hose, so this is going to go out, and it just constantly has 12 volt fan blowing in there, and it's just releasing all the odors to the outdoors. So there's been no smell. Very easy install. Put this to the outside, wire in the 12 volt, and you're ready to go. I'm very comfortable putting this in the travel trailer, and I think all in all, considering it's a composting toilet, I like it.